What's up, YouTube? So I've been playing with the idea of getting more active on my YouTube channel for a while now. I've been having a ton of people ask me to be more active on it, upload cool content, cool raps we're working on, some behind the scenes stuff. So what better time than some behind the scene of me laying down some crazy camo colors on my vette. So here I am, and enjoy. I'm about to show y'all how I do my designs on cars. People always asking me, how do you come up with these ideas? What do you, like, do you plan them? Do you design them? For the most part, sometimes if I don't know any direction I'm going towards, I'll sit on Photoshop, I'll design something to allow me to go in the direction, and then from there I'll kind of modify as I'm working on the car. Or sometimes I'll just work on a car, and if, you know, I'll look at the body lines and try to complement the body lines. But this is how I go about making a wrap. I grabbed a bunch of colors. I don't know what color I'm doing yet. You guys are literally watching me do this, like, design it as I go, because I'm still not 100% sure how I'm gonna do it. But now keep in mind, something could have led to the inspiration, but it's not always gonna turn out how you picture it. The way I see it is, as long as it looks good, I'm happy with it. Unless, you know, I really want it to look like something, I can print it, I can design it, and make it look exactly the way I want to. But personally, I enjoy freestyling a lot more. And then, you know, at the end when I'm done, if it looks like shit, I pull it off and do it again. So that's kind of my style with vehicle wraps. So I just started with the front driver's side fender. As you can see, I got chrome. I wrapped the lip chrome of the wheel, just for the hell of it. But this is my first panel. We are looking good. This is gonna be pretty wild. So I went with purple, white, chrome, and I'm also gonna do another, probably one or two more flashy colors. But it is actually looking a lot better than I thought it might so far. I am liking this. I am leaving this though. This should look pretty cool under the film. But we're getting some progress. I got another pattern going on top of here. I think I'm gonna do a really light gray. This one. I don't really want that to dominate the white, so I might do that gray over there. Still trying to figure out what color to put there. What you guys think so far? I am digging it. I think I'm gonna continue there with some white. But this is looking good. Yeah. That's actually a gray. Decided to put gray there, but gotta get these graphics off. It's looking good. All right, day 2. Here's where we're at. Driver's side, almost fully done. Almost there. I'm probably gonna wrap the end caps of my wing, maybe in like the purple or something, I'm not sure yet. But she's looking good. All I got is the passenger side. Pulling the little graphics off, the gloss black graphics. I think I'm gonna start off with, well, first I'm gonna continue this pattern over that down there maybe. And then I think I'm gonna do some black chrome maybe here somewhere. I'm not sure, we'll see. Day 2. All right, guys, we're done. For now, my car is never done, but here she is. Let me know what you guys think. If you enjoyed it, what you'd like to see in the future, more behind the scenes stuff, or more of what we're working on at the shop, or how-tos. But if you enjoyed it, let me know. Give me suggestions on what you'd like to see. And until next time, thanks.